Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start with essentials. Confirm your laptop supports the specific data card type and that you have a valid SIM with an active plan. Once done, shut down the laptop and remove power. This prevents damage. Make sure you know whether it's a USB modem, M2 slot, or SIM tray under the battery and use the correct eject tool. Insert the SIM or card carefully, fasten any M2 screw. Then reassemble and boot. This prepares the hardware so the software steps work reliably. Once the laptop boots, install the manufacturer drivers or let Device Manager detect the card automatically. This lets the OS talk to the modem. After drivers load, open your Network Manager and create a mobile broadband profile. Enter the APN, username, and password if required, then save. Make sure to set the connection type to LTE/4G if available. Adjust the connection priority so Wi-Fi doesn't override if you prefer mobile data. And enable data limits. Now you'll connect and verify. Enable the mobile data profile, connect, and test by browsing and pinging a known IP to confirm DNS and routing. If speeds are slow, check signal bars, move to a window, or lock the card to a different band. Make sure firmware is current. If nothing works, power down, reseat the SIM or card, try the SIM in a phone to rule out carrier issues, then reinstall drivers. If still stuck, contact your carrier for provisioning or a replacement SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.